Car camping and waterfalls. That's what Goldie and I are up to on this car camping adventure. And we're gonna go check out some waterfalls right now. So let's go check it out. Goldie and I are just kind of hiking along the water here. It's really pretty. Pretty neat checking this little area out where these waterfalls are, and once we get up to the end there's supposed to be a bigger waterfall, so we'll see what we can find. Beautiful walk along the water here. This is such a beautiful walk along here, and it keeps getting louder, so we must be getting closer to where the waterfalls are. Come on, let's keep going. This is so pretty, standing here listening to the water coming over the falls there a little bit. So beautiful. I love the way that sounds. So relaxing. Back on the trail we go. We haven't even made it to the end yet, and this is how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, look at that. So pretty. We need to keep going down this trail so we can get a better look at them waterfalls. Super pretty. There we go. We'll be able to get a better view from here. Wow, that's pretty. Well, we made it to where this waterfall is. Goldie just kind of sitting here. Super pretty. I hope you enjoyed this little hike out to this waterfall. We're going to keep exploring around here a little bit, and then we need to go find ourselves a free car camping spot. I didn't realize the trail kept going. That way the trail is closed, but it says we can keep going this way, so let's keep exploring this hiking trail. What else can we find? Come on, Goldie, down the steps we go. Get down to the bottom of the steps. That's pretty. Man, there's so many pretty spots through here. You definitely need to pay attention when you're walking so you don't end up tripping. This is definitely a great spot hiking along here. There's so many different sized waterfalls. There's small ones, there's bigger ones. Good time. Like here's a smaller little waterfall, but it's still really pretty. Notice on the other side there's a couple viewing areas where you can view these waterfalls. Those viewing areas are really cool, and it's nice to use them and take advantage of them, but Goldie and I like to hike through the woods. Typically there's a lot less people, and that's what I prefer. We better go check these out down here. think if we go over this way, we might be able to get down, get a really good view of the waterfall over here. Come on, buddy, let's see if we can get down this way. So beautiful. Hope you like that. I know I do. Holy buckets, Goldie. We gotta climb up this now. All right, let's go. Love it when you come across a really good spot, and we're hiking down this trail here. And there are some other people back there where I wanted to stop, but then I just kept following this trail. Let me show you where we're at. It's gonna be a super good view of these waterfalls. First, we need to get down here. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Goldie, don't you get too close now. Get out of there. You're making me nervous. Oh, gosh. She makes me nervous. That's beautiful. Goldie, it looks like it's the end of the trail, honey. We're gonna have to turn around. Yeah, we gotta turn around. Well, it was fun hiking out to this waterfall. What a good time. All right, let's make our way back. Go. Come on. Come on, Goldie. Well, we found this new camping spot, but unfortunately somebody's in that spot up there. There's only one spot that you can camp here. There's a bunch of tent camping spots where you can walk across the dam. We're gonna get out and take a look at that. So let's hop out, take a look at it, look around here. It's a pretty neat place. Come on, Goldie, let's go this way. Go walk out on this rock and take a look at this dam. It's pretty. I think it's kind of cool. Kind of a cool little spot right here. Lady up there fishing. I kind of want to walk across this bridge that's right over here and check it out. Goldie, come here. Wow, what a beautiful area it is here with that dam. Lady out there fishing. I was just talking to her for a little bit. She's caught a couple fish this morning, but nothing to brag about, she said. We're gonna keep looking for a free camping spot since there's a car in the only one that there is here, and I don't have a tent, and if I did, I wouldn't set it up anyway. I've got a car to camp in. Good morning, car campers. Goldie and I are in Whitefish Point, Michigan. It is a beautiful morning. We're just getting started. As you can see, I got the window coverings down. Actually, I have them sitting right over here. We are just getting our day started. It was a long night of driving. Good morning, Goldie. Let's get this day going. Hope you're having a beautiful morning. Hi, Goldie. Well, Goldie's obviously ready to get going. We have things picked up, put away, have the bed made coffee. I just been sitting here drinking my coffee this morning. This is where we camped out last night. We're in Whitefish Point, Michigan, I think is the name of this place, is where we're at. It's a little chilly this morning. It's about 54 degrees right now. That's why the car is running.